Hi and welcome back. So I'm still working my way through all of this fruit that I picked the other day, and keeping with my theme, I'm working around triggers. So a trigger for me is sugar, and that's refined sugar. But I still like sweet treats, so it's trying to find what I can use so I can still enjoy something sweet. Now most desserts and syrups and stuff that you make with fruit uses sugar. Well, I've been using honey on a number of mine. So you've been watching me making all of the different fruit syrups. That's been using honey, but now I'm going to make some crumbles. So with that, I'm actually switching over to maple syrup. So this is a good alternative for vegans. So I'm making 3 different types of crumble. I've got strawberry and rhubarb, strawberry and gooseberry, and rhubarb and gooseberry. I've got some cardamom seeds that I've ground up. I've got some nutmeg that I've grated, and I've got some powdered ginger that I brought back from Costa Rica. I've been making a topping. So where I said I'm working around a trigger of refined sugar, I also have problems with carbs, because carbs basically break down into sugars in the body. So I eat a low carb diet, and what I try to do is remain grain free. So that's one step on from gluten free. So I try to avoid all grains. So that's rice, it's wheat, it's corn. So it's many different types. I will eat gluten-free, but my preference is grain-free. So for my topping that I've been making here, I'm using yucca flour. So yucca flour was actually really easy to get hold of in Costa Rica. I actually grew yucca in my yard. So this is, here it's often called tapioca flour. So this is the ground up root of yucca. It usually can be used like a 1-to-1 for on a 1-to-1 ratio with normal flour, and I used to use this quite a lot in Costa Rica and sell a lot of grain-free snacks at the local farmers market. So in here I've made a topping using butter. I added chia seeds, coconut, almonds, a few of these spices, and I've sweetened it with maple syrup instead of sugar. So I just need to cook these down a bit now. I think I'm going to make another topping. So I'll probably use this for 2 of them. And then I'm going to use another topping, which will be a combination of the gluten-free honey that I use. Gluten-free granola that I make. So I'll come back to you later and show you how I'm getting on. Hi and welcome back, and this is the result of 2 days of work in the kitchen processing all of those berries that I picked the other day. So I've created a number of fruit syrups, started some berries fermenting in honey, and a number of fruit crumbles. I love batch cooking so I can freeze it, and then I've get to enjoy it over the coming months. So this is working around food triggers. Specifically a trigger of refined sugar for me. So I can still get to enjoy a number of these sweet treats without refined sugar triggering the symptoms of Crohn's disease. So this is a mini series that I'm creating. So go and take a look at my other videos, find out how you do it all, and then you can cross over to my website and download a free ebook with all of the recipes so you can try all of this at home.